Hello everyone, my name is Mark. I'm 10 years old. I'm pupil for Happyclass. Today, I'm happy to show you how to cook a rice. First, we need a rice water and a rice cooker. Next, we cook rice with this step. Step 1. Add the rice in the pot. Step 2. Water rice is 2 times. Step 3. Add the enough water for rice. Step 4. Add the pot and put the pot in the rice cooker. Step 5. Close the lid. Step 6. Put the pot down. Rice be well cooked in the 30 minutes. Rice is ready. You will have a yummy bowl to rice like this. Let's enjoy it. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.